You are the general.
Yeah, the rest of them.
The rest are funeral.
Yeah.
We obi enyum line pan o say no say no.
Me Rasta man fake Rasta. Yeah. Frank.
Frank, on I caught it no. My brother caught it.
Me go through the person ya we hu. Me can cut no so cut no. Later you me go ya cut you go find him. Because the guys are fast food there. Something is wrong with him.
It's on na go say be funny be so.
Oh, contact go Johnny got. Oh, Sammy, good to see you.
Oh, yeah, just be funny Johnny.
Oh, Johnny.
Yeah, but good to see you. Good to see you.
Sister name was for the doctor in the police.
I know na. Oh, Johnny.
No, me come there no.
Oh, there no.
Yeah, my sister.
Akao.
Oh, now Tifiana and Kofa Basi do ko. Oh, yare. One with that.
On Tiasi mum.
No, one come at Tiasi.
That been coming Tiasi.
And to say one to Mantiasi.
It's on best wow.
Oh, young can is just wow. Samuel, they spoke to me in a matured way.
Oh,
that
okay.
I should come members to the monk.
Oh, okay.
So I joined. I didn't know when I got there, they planned for me. I go with you on the measures of Roshiano. Yes, you do be car 5,000. And now, you bet you know, so I to fun nice, so nice. I know how you fun nice, so nice. You see me, I don't watch me to the watch out. So in the season, my problem. On another time, say funny face. Your problem is too much. Even me, I can't handle that. What do you mean? You might are telling me. And you know when you are going through this psychotic thing, this psychosis, who feels so you are normal? Yeah. Every other person is normal. That's how you see things.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
I see. Yeah. Funny, I was saying, show now.
Oh, maybe I am a 1 man show, 1,000 show.
I know. If I know him, I started crying and say, I see a big show.
You will laugh and cry. Now, baby, what hips, what female word, no betray. Obi, I will say, what but damn, fun nice. So now, as you see the woman, you watch that thing. What a buttons. And I'm saying, you are not sick. Oh, madam. Oh, that because I'm not so fun nice. Don't a prime suspect. But what's there for security purposes? Intimate money.
Yeah, I know. I don't know.
I said I'm going to Anakakra.
That is how can say. That you say no can say oh money dinam say that uboni dia enim nana.
No, but very popular. You know the school that I went to school.
How many years now?
My classmate is a Kwade.
Ade Kwade oho. Ade oho.
When I said they may come and also go through the same thing. To say to God be the glory. Soon I believe Kwade will be back because.
So they say what graduate.
Me what certificate? My best school. Not know why it's
but in the Musuni I started come on. But it is a beautiful thing, and we are happy that you are with us once again. Now Glove Nation, then Gloves now.
I say, why is Nimbi Titia? Why is me Titi Wadrin man? You brand yourself again. It's a Van Damme. Let me tell you one funny thing.
Tell me.
When the thing started, see a friend Kaswa and Kaswa, like they don't joke with me in Kaswa. Like,
not at all.
I'm like a statue in Kaswa.
Yeah.
It is time I said, man, no me Van Damme. No. I thought I was truly Van Damme. Son of my dream, send me a Van Damme Pampa. And I won't can the body, mom, the white one. The car can speed,
The Range Rover.
Oh, what? The time I touched off is Van Damme. Kaswa police, why they are worrying us?
I know you're pushing. Okay.
Do something. Kaswa police, do something. I mean, do go police station. What are you doing, my people? Come on, as my brother. Whatever is happening to you, it will clear. Stand this way. I'm here. I will shock you. Commander Nika James say, give me 5 minutes. We will know who it will shock. I feel me join the Abdullah, bring the handcuff. Me take handcuff and say, officer, I was mad since 1995. Right? I say, man is up. Obi I know me be on kaide to. Obi I know on kaide to the border. But it was a great moment. I've learned a lot. When you go through that situation, it's like you are alone, and the thought of suicide is very rampant. Like you feel like a loser. When you go through I went to the fifth state of depression.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 stages of depression now, and mine was worse. Because that was when you feel like a failure.
Like you feel the world has ended for you.
Yes, it will. I'm a child of God. Charlie, end it. Kill yourself. When I only meet them, that's why I say this depression. Me then the nipo. If you pay,
now
also move car. Kill yourself at Winnie Bar runabout. You'll be a hero. That's what you mean. I won't kill myself.
I see.
No, you'll be a hero because that's how it to
lead you to do things.
Yeah, you begin to never be about dream. That's why some people they will kill themselves and kill the person who made them go through the depression. Yeah, and they will end everything. I mean, Jimmy is there for me. Me because be a no me see me what to I kill myself.
No, I can't be disappointed man for so many people.
Of Ghana.
And the advice Ben I bet him their man nipa be almost go through the same thing. They might not be aware.
Let me give every human has the tendencies of going through depression once in your life. Yes. Because so let me give you the first clue that you know you are depressed. When you want to stop talking and stop explaining, when you want to stop talking and explaining yourself but you can't to people, that is depression. You are depressed. At a point in my life, I could it was 6 years. I could like Mr. Show, my own tafo. I didn't call Nico. Where's my life? I was going to open to help me in terms of school fees. That one I know everybody getting problem. I didn't know I was talking to a 6 years old. You want to be heard. You want to be listened.
Yeah, you want someone to understand you.
That is when people, unfortunately for me, what very popular person now. For a year or more, the more they it's so be all drawing. The person is so be all drawing. Or fight so be saving a life. He doesn't want to end everything. He doesn't want to kill himself. He wants to survive because he feels like he's a loser. Yeah, because he's lost everything. Me, mano, Ella and Bellam, don't me and Bibia. You know how? Yeah. Okay, so he had a song you played. My Ella and Bellam, don't me and Bibia. So when the thing happened, Yadomoko and Sammy was Menyan easy. And I know Munyama will feel.
Too sorry, a photo of we will have.
So I mean, if you go to Cape Coast in Winneba, I go to Winneba by day, then I come to Cape Coast by night. I was using the Atos, so my cars range now, Porsche Jaguar, my
cars, car,
Atos now at Greater Craft Farm where
a bit in Yatuna.
And I'm like, that is because you want to die. Now me one time me you two me trim soon and very soon you are going to meet the king. I say which king? Which king? Because if it's God I'm saying the song is trying to tell me I will die. And there is a whole lot of like now I can talk to somebody who is going through so much emotional trauma. Okay. I know what to say to make the person feel good because I've been there. Wow. Yeah. You feel that if I have a turkey in the house, Alfonso. Even the turkey doesn't respect me. The turkey knew I was depressed. So when I call Alfonso, say, no turkeys there like this. Alfonso, show me up and down. Must have sort your life out. And you know about if you are going through depression, sort your life out. And I live with animals. If I live with animals, I live alone with the animals.
And your house is big too.
Yes, and I live with the animals. So I feel animals are spirit. At a point, they felt my pain. They knew I was going through a lot. Every morning,
maybe they were hungry. You were not feeding them enough.
Oh, that's a good punchline. I'm telling you about animal spirituality. You are telling me hungry spirituality. How much did he have? How much did they eat? How much okay? But how much gather? And I have pigeons.
Pigeons, yeah. Okay, Dove.
Yeah, I'm bad porch. I'm near to free. I'm
To be Pino Munago.
I'm a different human being. What I want to people go through, if you don't die, you go mad. You won't come back. So for me to be back here, I see it. Say God gave me a second chance to live again and to minister.
And now they assembling Nabonium. And that is what people don't know. That is the reason Funny Face is here.
Yes.
They are called through the nano or they are
because let me do a prophecy. Okay, you was young. This is the second time saying you are a prophet. Remember?
Yeah.
When you were in the city, I said something.
Yeah, Mikai.
Okay, so this was when some years ago, this young man here, Riches.
Yeah.
Friend catch him say Nunibi higher. With a Funny Face type of because that boy the way people they envy and won't here. So Funny likes this kind of song and you blow it. So when I was going through the depression, that was the song now. Yeah, na me bo. Say no matter what like how then the suspense one day we still
go
keep
high.
Going higher and we don't care. And so Nyama here say no man I give me free hospital buy no. Me got phone me permit charger. Laptop charger.
Yeah.
Because Tom phones was circle. He's a musician. He has a talent, but Tom phone was circle.
Survivor.
And I told him, say, listen, you selling phones at circle, that is your story. People love people who come from zero to hero. That is your story. So when him now here, he helped me. You have no idea. Please, can you feature me on it? I said he should feature me. Somebody that we know in this country, he would have said he will feature him.
I know.
He's a greedy let him keep going for this. But this is the people are listening, they are marking. Aggressive, still going up.
Hey, and then Fanny, what you must say about? It's aggressive, still going out.
Still going up. Me and Marcus Sanders here, and I said, mood swing, if you are very dull.